Hi everyone! So today we are going to talk about plastic. Do you know what is plastic? Plastic is a synthetic materials that use polymer as a main ingredient. Now, do you know why plastic is invented in the first place? Plastic is created as a solution to maintain the natural resource on Earth. Now, some of you might have heard about reusable plastic bag, such as IKEA plastic bag and Lotus plastic bag. And I'm sure most of you guys have heard about the Tupperware brand. It is also made from plastic product that use polymer to sustain a better life. Plastic is valuable, so let's create value from the plastic waste by using the 4R, which are the reuse, recycle, reinvent, and repurpose.
Hey SLYVIA, do you just want to throw those plastic just like that?
Yes, what's wrong, ARIEF?
Do you know that we can reuse those plastic?
Huh? What do you mean by reuse it? That plastic didn't cost us any penny?
That's right. Why do we need to reuse it?
Okay, easy guys. Let me explain. It is true that we don't spend any money for this plastic, but it is also cost us nothing for us to take a good care of our nature by reusing it. For your information, reusing plastic products such as plastic bags and a plastic water bottle can reduce waste and landfill crowding, minimize pollution, and conserve energy.
Alright, we're convinced now. So how do we reuse these plastics, ARIEF?
Yes, can you share it with us?
Sure, we can reuse this plastic bag to carry around our stuff, or we can reuse it to carry grocery items as we buy things from the grocery store next time.
ARIEF, we can get a brand new plastic bag as we buy things at the store next time.
You are right, but as I've mentioned earlier, our goal is to reduce plastic waste. So, by bringing our own plastic bag to the store, can reduce the usage of more plastic bags, thus reduce plastic waste. Get it?
Wow, it's really good of us if we can help our nature by just using those plastic bags.
Right? Thank you, ARIEF, for your sharing.
Thank you, ARIEF. How about this plastic bottle, ARIEF? Can we also reuse it?
Yeah, I think we also can reuse it. We can refill our drinking water in it.
Wait a minute. I've read somewhere that this plastic bottle is categorized as a single-use plastic. It might not be safe for us to use it multiple times.
Oh really? So, what do we do with this plastic bottle, SLYVIA?
Instead of simply throwing it, why don't we use it for another purpose, right?
Yeah, that's a great idea. What are the other purpose of the plastic bottle?
There are many ways for us to repurpose the plastic bottle. For example, we can create garden hanging vase, pen holder, piggy bank, and many more.
Oh.
That's a good idea, SLYVIA. It is really a profitable way to help clean up the environment by repurposing plastic product.
Exactly.
What are you doing here?
We are confused because there are 3 bins with
different colors.
Aren't they all the same?
No, it's not. These are the recycling bins. Recycling? What does that mean? Recycling is when we take old trash and make it into something new.
Can we recycle this food leftover?
No, some trash cannot be recycled, but it can go into the trash bin. But we can recycle a glass bottle, aluminium can, plastic bag, and paper. These things can go into these recycling bins. And then what happens?
After collection, recyclables are sent to a recovery facility to be sorted, cleaned, and processed into materials that can be used in manufacturing.
Why is it important to recycle?
Plastic is used to manufacture a wide variety of other goods. When plastic is recycled, it is used to make lots of materials and goods such as beverage and food containers, pieces for furniture, bottles for consumable supplies, and plenty more. The uses of plastic are endless. Perhaps the most important reason to recycle plastic is to reduce pollution and harm done to our planet and the wildlife that calls it home. By recycling your plastics, you will be saving the lives of many animals who suffer fates when they are trapped by plastics that are left littered in their homes.
Oh, now I know. Thank you for educating us about the recycling.
No problem.
Did you know that other than recycle, the plastic waste also can be reinvented to produce another kind of products?
What is reinvent?
Reinvent means totally change something so that it appears to be entirely new. But reinvent plastic is a process to produce totally different of new product from a plastic waste such as plastic brick, plastic thread, shoes, and many more.
Oh, so how does the reinvent work?
The reinventing plastic continues from the recycling process where the plastic waste is shredded through a special machine, then the material is washed and dried until it's transformed into flakes. After that, the plastic is sent to this funnel, then we'll get synthetic winterizer. Therefore, we will get thread made from plastic. From that, we can fill the winterizer into pillow and knit into a bag. In 2015, Adidas also partnered with Bali for the oceans to turn marine pollution into sportswear. The waste is then sorted and the recovered plastic sent to an Adidas processing plant. Adidas used plastic bottles that contain polyethylene terephthalate or PET. Adidas uses ocean plastic to form the upper parts of shoes and clothing like jerseys. Each item in the Pali collection is made from at least 75% intercepted marine trash, and they still meet the same performance and comfort standards of Adidas' other shoes. Furthermore, it uses less water and fewer chemicals and helps prevent plastic pollution. Lastly is a brick, where the brick is made from a combination of plastic and sand. Workers fold the dry mix together with a shovel. This machine heats the plastic and sand mixture at very high temperature around 300 to 400 degrees centigrade until it's soft enough like a gooey-like dough-like mold. Each lump of the mixture is weighed by hand. This hydraulic press can squeeze 9 bricks at a time. At this point, the bricks need to cool so they can harden at room temperature. Many bricks come off the press with jagged edges, so the worker breaks them off on a large stone before adding the finished bricks to a stack.
Okay, now you guys already know how to sustain life by using a plastic waste. By implying this 4R in our daily life, we can help to conserve our natural resource, landfill, space, and energy. Not just that, we can also save money and our earth. We hope this video will reach to the whole world, and don't forget to use 4R in our daily life. That's all from us. Thank you.